almost 2 months now. Yeah.
I'm not old enough to do it, but I have you have to be 18 or 21.
How old are you?
16. But I have friends that do it. Everyone that they do.
So hold on. All right. Who ordered the Uber for you?
What?
Who ordered?
My dad.
Your dad.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're under the age of 18. You're considered an unaccompanied minor. I am legally required to take you back to your place and have an adult with you. No. Nope. I have to, as soon as I can, I have to turn around because you are underage. This is no disrespect to you.
Do I get a refund?
You'll get a refund. So you need to let your parents know, hey, like, you're not even William. What's your name?
Matthew.
Matthew?
Yeah.
Okay.